Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to send custom offer to buyer on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to send custom offer to buyer on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to send custom offer to buyer on Fiverr mobile app. So today I am going to show you how to send custom offer to buyer on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If received a message from a buyer for the first time, now buyer requirements are not matching with your gig details. You have to make a custom offer. How you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on Inbox. Now select the buyer conversation or chat you want to send a custom offer. Click on it. Now at the bottom you are seeing create an offer. Click on it. Now select the gig, enter price and other informations. Scroll down and then click on send offer. There you go. If you wanted to know how to send custom offer to buyer on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.